So you have wrinkles in the liner of your pool, but it's not a lot of wrinkles, it's like one or two pretty big ones. So what's going on here? If these wrinkles kind of just formed suddenly, which is to say this liner isn't brand new, wasn't installed yesterday, you've had this liner all along, these wrinkles weren't there, now they're there, what's going on? Almost surely the pool is leaking. Or at least if the pool isn't leaking, then water is getting underneath of the liner somehow. So for example, let's say it's a time of year where you live, there is a lot of rain happening right now. It's entirely possible that the water table around your pool has risen, water has gotten underneath of your pool liner, in between the floor, the grout floor, and the liner. It caused the liner to lift up a little bit, but it didn't sit back down into the same area when that water regressed away from there. What happened is it moved slightly such that it folded over top of itself, and now you have a wrinkle there. So what can you do about this? Well, the first thing you can do is test and verify that your pool isn't leaking. If your pool is leaking or you have a hole in your liner somewhere, it's entirely possible that that's how the water got underneath of the liner to begin with. But if you don't have a leak in the pool, then it could be that you have a groundwater issue. And the only way to really deal with the wrinkles at this point would be to try to use a plunger to manually grab and manipulate the wrinkles over to the edge of the pool. Basically, the best hope you have for getting rid of liner wrinkles is to try to take those wrinkles from the flat area of the floor where they are now and bring them to the edge where the floor meets the wall. Usually, there's a small amount of coving that happens in that area, and if you can manage to wrestle the wrinkles over to that cove, you might be able to lose them permanently. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.